What's up guys? This week's gonna look a little bit different. Sarah and I are actually in the middle of packing for a trip down to Puerto Rico. And what we're gonna be doing there is volunteering with a nonprofit organization, Moyo Village. And what we're gonna be doing is volunteering in animal shelters, helping out the dogs, cats, and other stray animals that just need care and homes. We're also gonna be doing a little bit of adventuring. So we're gonna take you along with us, and I guess we'll see you in the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's too early, but we're going to Puerto Rico.
We got an early flight.
I'm sleepy. Let's get ready. Let's get the dogs taken care of. Let's get to the airport. Bye, Dad. Thanks for driving us. Hopefully you don't mind being on the vlog.
Bye. Thanks.
Hi, Dad. Look. You know what's really fun? When you drink coffee and then you have to go to the bathroom, but you're in a onesie. They grabbed my bag, so they're checking my bag and they're also checking Brandon, so that's fun.
Sarah's getting her bag checked, and I just had the rudest TSA agent ever in my life. Grumpy morning, I guess.
So, what just happened?
Yeah, so we were going through TSA, and I always take my wallet in my hands when I go through the x-rays. I don't send it through with everything else because, I don't know, I'm just like that. And it's usually no problem. And they just search it real quick because it's like 2 pockets. They're like, you gotta put your wallet through the x-ray. And I was like, no, I normally just carry it. And they're like, well, if you don't put it through the x-ray, we gotta search it. I'm like, okay, that's fine. They get out and the guy grabs my wallet and he goes, well, since you didn't put it through the x-ray, I gotta search it. I'm like, okay, that's fine. And he starts taking out my cards and just throwing them on the ground. They're just like bouncing everywhere. I'm like, you don't have to throw my cards. He's like, well, you didn't want to put it through the x-ray, so I gotta check it and I gotta be thorough. I'm like, you still don't have to throw my cards on the ground.
I literally was standing in line in front of him and I heard his card fall and I thought they just accidentally dropped it. I had no idea he was like tossing them. That's crazy.
Yeah, dude was so freaking rude.
Goofy times, man. Ooh, Starbies.
All right, let's go get some Starbies.
We need some Starbies. The line's gonna be atrocious, but that's what I want.
Coffee.
I need some matchas in my life.
Oh, sweet, yeah. Got the exit row.
Not that I need it for my oversized legs.
Yeah, well, feels like our own little nook. Flight attendants me sitting there, so have fun with that.
Not that I don't mind. It's just, you know, I feel like I'm just gonna be staring into their eyes. Here in Puerto Rico.
A little bit warmer than from where we left.
I need to take my hoodie off.
I need to put my bag on. We made it to Puerto Rico. We made it
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico. All right, let's go get a taxi. Head to the beach. Oh my gosh, it's so warm.
Wow, jacket pocket.
What's your here, please?
Perfect. This is nice. There we go.
Check the fit.
Yep.
The humidity here is more hard to the hot.
Beautiful.
Oh my gosh, can't believe we're actually here. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, let's go find food. Really just want to shove all the stuff inside.
Look at the water, it's so pretty.
I feel like our second life, like not retirement, but I feel like our second life is gonna be in a tropical place. Like that's where we live. So I'm just gonna want to take care of my body and soak in the sun and swim in the ocean. Stuff that's really good for you and therapeutic.
So now I just gotta change into some island wear because this fit ain't working. Much better. Got the shorts, got the flops, got a low button-up shirt. It's beach top, baby. Let's go. that's good. All right, let's go to the beach. Just got back from a dip. That water feels so good. Oh, I love the beach. Sarah's just looking like a hot beach babe. Soaking up the rays.
I can take a nap right now.
You can take a nap. We have time. All right, so we are about to leave the beach and go find Sarah some sunglasses.
I left mine.
Because she left hers and she's using mine, and that's not gonna be a thing all weekend, so.
Yeah, we're gonna go find some hopefully cheap sunglasses. I typically don't really care to wear sunglasses, but the sun is really getting to my head, so I think I need it for a little bit.
That was a good beach day. It's exactly what we needed. Wow, I can see. Look at that. And I look way cooler.
And I look way cool. And I'm cool. I miss feeling salty.
I miss beach hair, salty beach hair.
Green light.
What about these? Okay, yes.
No, dude,
Sorry.
look at them. They're so
They're
awful.
terrible. And now you look like RoboCop.
Sunglasses. I like different shapes than regular sunglasses. Get some liquid death, some agua. Don't ask me why. I saw these and I was like, kind of have to have them. So we're doing it.
Some cold brew tea.
From Arizona. That's so cool.
Okay. Yeah.
No, not from Arizona, but like from the brand Arizona. Ooh,
From Arizona. To the airport. So we actually need to get dropped off at the departures. So we are currently headed back to the airport where we're going to be picked up by Moyo Village to start our volunteer.
Now we're back to the airport.
We actually got taken to departures, even though we asked for arrivals. Maybe we said departures, I don't know. Get dropped off at the departures.
There we go.
All right, so they should be here in like 5 minutes. So we're just waiting for our van to pick us up.
We get to see everyone.
We're starting the adventure today with the doggos. So
Can't wait.
yeah, it's gonna be so fun. Here we are. Here's our ride.
Oh my goodness, I am living the dream right now.
Oh, this is awesome.
Hi, sweet.
Right here.
Next. She's so cute. You guys can take some time to get like settled in. You're more prepared than I am. I have a regular shirt on.
Headed to dinner. Where are we going?
La Fonda.
La Fonda.
Yeah, this is nice.
So that was a bust. Plan 2. Well, plan 1 was go to the restaurant, but it is slammed. Every table is taken and nobody has food, so that's gonna be forever. So we're gonna move to plan B and go somewhere else. What are we doing?
Grocery shopping, baby.
What are we shopping for?
Breakfast, snacks, and stuff for the animals. So we all get different items that we need to get for the shelters and for the puppies and kitties. And we are responsible for getting all the dog food and cat food. And I'm very excited.
And the Oreos, of course.
And the Oreos. Uh-oh.
No carts.
Whoa. Let's go. It's like rattling my knee because I hit it weird.
All right, this is your stop. So on our list is 4 of the largest and cheapest cat food. 35 pounds for
22 pounds.
how much?
$24.
Okay, so let's look at the orange number because I believe that's price per ounce. So definitely these two. We realized very quickly we're gonna need another cart because we're getting a lot more dog food than we thought. Thanks, babe. So we got all of our dog food and our cat food for the shelters, and now it's time to get us some human food for this week.
Yeah. Breakfast.
For breakfasts, lunches, snacks. No, not lunches, just snacks. Just breakfasts and snacks.
Why do you keep saying breakfasts?
Breakfasts.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
We're just gonna close out the night. It's been such a great day, and we need to get up super early in the morning because we are going on a hike and doing a lot of volunteering, so we need to get some extra rest.
We do. We just got home from the grocery store. We picked up a lot of dog food and stuff, and we just had to unload some of it. We're ready to wind down. I'm ready to go to sleep.
So exhausted.
I'm so tired from the day.
We woke up at like 4 a.m. this morning, and so been going nonstop.
Yeah.
And it's a travel day, so.
Yep. I'm feeling it. I can
Yeah.
actually feel it. So.
But we're stoked for tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
I can't wait to take you all along. It's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be so beautiful out there.
all right, let's go get some rest.
Good night, everyone.
Good night. Good morning. Good morning.
We're gonna have some oatmeal this morning. You want some coffee?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that's like gone. Yeah, it was good.
Cool.
No bolt. It's in there. Yeah.
I usually drink my coffee black, but I'm excited to try this.
I can really like taste it.
Did too much. That is dark.
So we just got to El Yunque National Park. We just parked so that we could check out this waterfall. Wow! That's incredible. That's just so good.
Enjoying who you share it with. Enjoying who you share it with. And the weeks.
Check us out. Vanlife in Puerto Rico. AC is a must. So right now we're just walking to the trailhead, and we're gonna hike El Yunque.
The time is who you spend it with. Joy is who you share it with.
Started our hike, and I'm already like drenched because it's so humid here. But right now we are hiking El Yunque. It is a dormant volcano right in the middle of El Yunque National Park. And this national park is the only tropical rainforest in the US National Park system. So that's pretty cool.
Water break.
I've seen
Water.
stars on the ocean.
All right, this is the last
Last stretch.
up these stairs.
I've heard the songs of someone sing.
We are here.
Like a humming in the There's always something around the corner, something more to be found.
Time for lunch. It's actually not bad. It's not that hot.
Really?
But this empanada rock.
Alright.
That's so good.
Hey, how's it going?
Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers. There you go. Thank you so much. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. You too. How cute is this? Maybe a little bit.
That's cool.
There you go. There we go.
Love it.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Amazing.
What's in here?
Toys and
Oh my God.
brushes.
More gifts. Oh.
Lamb, you're good.
Okay, I hear you.
So cute.
Just got done weed eating. Now I am the weed. Solid day's work. Kennels are all clean, dogs are all walked and happy. We're all hot and sweaty, so we're gonna head out. Check out this iguana.
That's like a big old lizard.
All right, so we just arrived at this Chinese restaurant and we are going to be feeding some cats. And they're just all over this place. And they all know that we're here to feed them. They're all stoked. She's just pouring out some feed right here for them. And they're gonna come munch it up. So now we are at the cat colony.
Wow.
Homes they've built for them. For all the feral and stray.
There's somebody else there with a cat?
Got fixed. You're so cute. Look at you. Oh, yeah.
I can't promise it's perfect, but
That's okay.
I do.
Looks pretty perfect to me.
You got it. Look. Look.
It's just not a really good combo.
No.
I just didn't drink as much as I thought I was going to yesterday. Couple Joe.
So we woke up super early today so we can get out to the beach. We're gonna go snorkeling, and this spot is apparently where a lot of sea turtles are. So hopefully we see a sea turtle today.
I really hope so.
And so yeah, we're just gonna get out on the water and enjoy the beach and snorkel.
Snorkel. I know it's gonna be really cold, so I gotta get over that. But
It's so hot right now.
yeah, but it's cold water.
All right,
Where's
let's get on the
Mila?
water. Wishing you luck.
Go ahead and put these on.
Piña, por favor. Gracias.
Okay.
So I just learned today that it's not pronounced sherbet. It's actually spelled sherbet and pronounced sherbet. Refreshing. Lunchtime has arrived.
Oh man, I'm gonna really want a nap after this.
Yeah.
That rough.
So we have a lot of options.
I kind of just want to look.
Sarah may go to this vegan spot, but we're gonna see what everybody has.
Gonna do blue. I'm excited. I've never had something like this before, so it should be interesting. That was terrifying. That's refreshing. That's great.
Wow, that's so refreshing. 3 birria tacos. Aguas fresca Jamaica. Thank you. They're so hot. Wow, that's so good.
you guys come in.
Hi, baby.
Oh, you got a lot of energy. You got a lot of. Oh, you are so perfect.
I like this guy.
That's cute.
They handsome boy.
Yunque boy.
Hey, baby.
Yeah, I
Oh, hey, look at you. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Okay. Oh, you're so pretty. Hey, buddy.
Walking him. You guys can walk him. He does. Walk him. He's like,
I'll walk it.
Yeah.
It's like he knows.
Not yet. You gotta.
are you kidding me? Yeah, right. Compared to like 3 or 4.
Oh my god.
6:30, like.
Good morning. So today is a super early day. We are leaving at 7 a.m. and we are going to go walk some dogs on the beach. And then we're also going on a waterfall hike and hopefully swimming in the pool below. Obviously, we're gonna take you guys along with us. And why am I out of breath? I just went up some stairs, like not that many stairs. You lead the way. All right, so we just got to the shelter, as you can hear. So everybody's kind of getting assigned a dog. They're just slowly bringing them out. I got assigned Colorado because he loves to swim, and so do I. So we're gonna go out to the beach and probably take a little dip, and everybody else is kind of waiting around over there, and he's bringing out dogs for everybody. So this boy's ready to go.
Look at Donkey!
Hey, Connor.
He's already got a bike record, you know.
You got it. So what'd you think of the walk?
It was awesome. Connor is such a good boy, and we got to go playing in the water.
Yeah.
Dude, everything was perfect. It was awesome.
Colorado, loved to swim. He found a coconut. He was playing with that. This was so cool.
Letting dogs be dogs. It's the best thing ever.
Hey, Delilah. Hey, Delilah. I did not see you. I did not see you. Look at her. Look.
Dude, keep
Yeah, another
fine.
pretty girl. Another pretty girl.
Keep fine.
You wanna do Vanlife? You wanna go live in a van?
She's a fork, yeah.
You wanna live and travel the world?
Hey, you do, Julie. What's she doing? Oh, I don't know how to do that.
Where are we going now?
To get coconut water.
Ooh, look at that backdrop though.
The cat?
The cat.
How many people are getting coconut water? Me.
Me. All right, so we're apparently headed to a secret waterfall that's apparently a super secret. We can't say where it's at, what it is,
Go to dinner tonight. Yeah.
Another perk of sunglasses, even if it's shaded, is bugs. Cool tree.
Cool tree.
Oh my god.
Holy crap.
That's so much bigger than I thought. What?
Holy crap.
Whoa. Their dad routed them.
What are we doing today?
We're going to set up some TNR traps.
What's TNR stand for?
Trap and release. Did I say trap and release traps?
Trap and release traps.
Our goal is to trap some strays. We are spaying or neutering them and then releasing them back into the wild. But it doesn't happen right away. So sometimes you just gotta wait it out.
It's a process.
It's a process.
Yeah, thank you guys. I just like lock it.
Bye, guys.
Last goodbye.
Love you.
You're not going.
Bye.
Aww. This strip is so cool.
Yeah, this is awesome. Apparently they come with like a shot of alcohol and you're supposed to squeeze this on the cookie and then eat it, but I'm not going to do that because, you know, I don't drink, but we are going to try the cookie. Look at that monster of a cookie.
Dude,
compared to my face.
So?
That was a good cookie, but it's got a bunch of other things going on with it. Very good, 10 out of 10.
A glass of milk. Stop feeling crazy.
Oh, Sarah's gonna take the shot.
Okay. glow. Yeah, I actually liked that a lot.
Wow.
That was really good.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Bye. Bittersweet. Saying goodbye to everyone. Made it to the airport and we'll be heading home soon.
I get to see the puppies.
Yay. So excited.
Can't wait to see them.